Hello and welcome to Thunderstorm chasing Scotland and the UK one as well. Right, as you probably know, there's an amber warning out for eastern England and a yellow thunderstorm warning from Lincolnshire up towards Newcastle and southern Scotland as well, covering most of the eastern side. And also there's been a rain warning put out for Strathclyde and western Scotland with a chance of thundery rain. The cows are having a gawk, so could possibly see thundery showers there as well. But the one we're interested in is the one that's coming up from eastern England, and it's frequent lightning and they're expecting hail as well, and also it's said to be a tornadic cell, so there could be a couple of funnel clouds in there and maybe even a couple of tornadoes, who knows. But again, this is my storm base, this is storm base 1 for me. The clouds are looking a wee bit interesting today up this way. Looking interesting earlier on. Actually over that way. But I've got a new gizmo. My beautiful wife bought me that, so that should help me. But as you can see, here's 20 degrees. It feels like more than that. More than feels like 23, 24. But we're here at the moment. Tomorrow we should be going towards the east, and that'll be Storm Base 3, which is towards Falkirk way, over towards Edinburgh. So with any luck, we should catch something later on tomorrow. So until then, I shall see you. And in the areas covering the amber warning, be safe guys if you're out chasing. Just be really careful on the roads, because there's maybe a lot of disruption that way, okay? So, see you later.